Well, I'm here with the new two-level Menards in Vernon Hills, Illinois. There's just a fan section, which is pretty much just like any fan section now at Home Depot. It's even like the one at Long Grove that I went to, and I go to all the time. And I go over the aisle like the one at Long Grove that I showed you like earlier this year. And the lights continue all the way down there on the other side. And I'll show you the Hunter real quick. There it is right there. Real close. I can see if I can try to find a wiring to go to that.